Hello, this is Huskins, your forex vendor. Welcome to the daily review of March 26th and the preview of March 27th, your daily dose of events that shaped the forex markets. Let's start with the thought of the day. I'm going to make the rest of my life the best of my life. Forget whatever has happened in the past, whatever the problems that you faced, it's gone in the past. From now onwards, make the rest of your life the best of your life. That's the most powerful quote which I've come across, and that's what I'll strive to live by, and I encourage you to make the rest of your life the best of your life. There are no results to talk about since we suggested we not trade. So there are no results, but let us look at important news and how would one decipher what is important, what is not important. Let me pull up this calendar from Forex Factory out here. Now at 12:45 a.m. we had the RBA governor speak. Let's see whether it caused us a sustained movement in the Aussie dollar. All right. So let's pull up the chart and let's pull up Aussie dollar. Now I've already done most of the work, but if you just pull up Aussie dollar, what you see is that the Aussie dollar, after he started talking, it consistently went up and it carried forth for most of the day. All right. So from here, it ended up right here, but the general direction was upwards. Uh, was this the Australian dollar move or was this the US dollar move? We do not know. It's a 50-50% chance. So what you do is you pull up the Aussie JPY chart. All right. Let's see whether the Aussie JPY mimics the US dollar chart. And lo and behold, uh, here you have an exact copy of the chart, and in fact in the Aussie JPY it did not even close down below, just like it did in the Aussie US dollar. It went up and came down. Here it closed very much close to its highs. So the Australian dollar was in fact the move was sustained. Now uh, what if this entire movement was on the funding currencies, which are the US dollar and JPY? Let us look at what happened in the GBP Australian dollar. Now, GBP Australian dollar, so Australian dollar is the second of the pair. So, if GBP Australian dollar goes down, that means the Australian dollar is strengthening. What happened? The same thing. So what does this tell us? That the speech from the governor is important, and it has a possibility of a sustained movement. Can we make a trade plan of it? Well, we could if we strive hard. So I'm going to look into this and I'll see whether we come up with a trade plan. I want you to do your homework too. If you're one of my students and if you think that you could make up a trade plan on this particular event of a governor of Australia speaking, then let's let that be your assignment. All right. Now back to my PowerPoint. Where are you? Okay, then we had the core durable sales and we had the durable sales. Both of them were out at 8:30. Now there was a conflict in the core and the headline number. So this in any way, I don't like murky numbers. And then we had the new home sales. So I'm going to go into that more in detail. Um, Let me pull up the Euro USD chart out here. Now this is the Euro USD chart when we got the at 8:30 when we got the durable goods numbers. You know, nothing much, whipsawing here and there. Okay, and then when we actually got the numbers for um, the new home sales at 10 o'clock, okay, it managed to go up and turn around and go down. So the US dollar index went down, turned around, and went up. Now, this is absolutely in line with what we have in mind. We had the reversal trade on the new home sales. So basically, our new home sales is would have been a successful trade, but we did not take it. But it's nice to see um, our trade plans work even in circumstances wherein we are too cautious. So that's something which goes against the trade plan. That good job, trade plan, you worked, and next time I'll have a higher I'd be able to uh, to use you again. So I'll be able to depend on you even more. So that's the kind of mentality which I try to inbuild in myself and in my students, is that even on non-trading days, it's always a learning day. There is no non-learning day. Now let's talk about the new home sales. The new home sales take a breather. The prices rise. Now, the sales figures of the new single family homes fell more than expected in February. This is the sales figures, not the prices. But this is after hefty gains on the previous months. But the steady gains in home prices suggested that the housing market recovery remained intact. So now let's see the preview for tomorrow. Tomorrow we have the UK GDP final report. We'll not be trading this, but we'll have the Canadian CPI, which will be out at 8:30, and I will be trading that. It's a green flag, so it's a go ahead. The trade plan is simple for the members. They have access to the trade plan, and it is still viable. Thank you for watching this video. Have a wonderful day. Bye for now.